In this video, I am going to show you how to add Cash App payment method to Shopify. Integrating Cash App Pay into your Shopify store allows Cash App users to transact via their Cash wallet directly on your site. Below is a step-by-step guide to complete the interaction. Your business must be based in the US in order to do this integration. So, step 1. Visit the Cash App Pay page on the Shopify App Store, and then click on Install to download the application. Once the Cash App Pay application is downloaded, click on Install App in the top right corner. After installing the application, you'll be prompted to connect your account. Click on Connect to Cash App Pay to proceed, and you will be redirected to Connect to Cash App Pay screen. Enter your Afterpay production merchant ID in the designated field and enter your Afterpay production secret key in the appropriate field, and then press Continue to proceed. After clicking Continue in step 3, you'll be directed to a final confirmation page. Review all the details provided and follow any additional prompts for final confirmation and activation. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.